welcome back to my channel, the Succulent Greenhouse. Today I have an unboxing. I did a swap with Marija. She has a YouTube channel called Succulent Living by Marija. I will link her channel below, and I will also place her name right here so that you guys can get it correctly, because I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So I'm so sorry if I'm saying it wrong. We talked and we did a swap. So I know the plants that I'm getting, I just don't remember the names. So let me just get in and let me go ahead and open it up and share it with you guys. Okay. Her channel is about succulents. It's a very good channel. I hope you guys, if you are not subscribed to her, you should. I think you would enjoy her channel and also learn a lot. In my opinion, I believe she knows more than I do. I think she's had succulents for a longer period than I have. So I do believe you can really benefit from watching her channel. And she loves succulents and cactuses. Okay. I don't have any of these plants. I'm excited to add them to my collection. If I remember the name, it's something like Stepophilia. She said the name and it sounds something like that. This is the one that gets the big starfish plant. It's a really pretty plant. I'm so excited to have this. I like how unique it looks, you know, it's really pretty. Let me get a closer look. Really pretty plant. So that's that. So I'm really sorry I don't have the name for these. She'll probably comment below and tell me all the names. I believe this is a type of euphorbia. I'm not sure. Really unique plant. She was so kind to send me one that's already rooted. So I need two. And this one too, obviously. That one's rooted too. It's so pretty. So different looking. Look at the texture on that. You see that? Looks like it has teeth. It's gonna bite you. Oh, she sent me this too. I really like this one too. So pretty. I like this a lot. I don't have any of these. So lucky to do a swap with her. Okay. She has a very unique collection. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't remember this one either. I think this one's like, it has a nickname maybe of like Bones, something Bones. I'm not sure. And I think it might be also in the Euphorbia family, but isn't this so pretty? The colors, the white and the green. Such a pretty plant. I really like this one. I like them all. You're gonna hear, I really like them. I like them all. And that's it, guys. These are so cute. You know what? I think I might make an arrangement with all of them. Yep. I think I might do that. And make it like a desert, maybe. I have a good pot for it, so I think I might do that and set it up really pretty. This one I won't, but these three, maybe I'll set it up in a really pretty pot as a desert. And I might record it for you guys. I'm not 100% sure. I have to see. I have to make some room to record better here. It's starting to get a little bit cooler, just a little bit. With some breeze right now, so that feels nice. And I was able to remove my what do you call it? My shade cloth, so that's good. I'm excited to see if the plants change color. Okay, guys, let me get a closer look at these. Hold on one second to review them. Marija, I hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you so much, and I really enjoy doing this swap with you. You have a very unique collection. I'm so thankful to have met you through YouTube. You're such a great person. Thank you so much. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.